Welcome back to Design Guy. Ready to give your photos that vintage vibe using just Canva? Click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter 300 by 300 pixels. Next, go to Elements and search for a retro background. Choose the desired retro background. Finally, set this element as the background to complete the design setup for your project. Click Set Image as Background to apply. Next, select the image by clicking on it to begin adding it to your project. Resize the object by dragging its corner handles. Click the BG Remover button to erase the background from your image quickly and easily. Now that you have the image, resize it by dragging the corner handles downward diagonally. Place the object precisely at the center. Next, go to Elements and type Halftone in the search bar. Select Graphics from the results, then scroll through the options to find the desired halftone effect for your project. Focus on designing with permanence in mind. Prioritize durability and timeless aesthetics to ensure your design remains effective and visually appealing. Avoid trends that quickly fade, aiming instead for principles that support long-lasting impact and functionality in your work. I already have this design prepared. Now, let's go ahead and use it for our project. Select the image, resize and expand it, then apply the changes to complete the adjustment process. Click the Background Remover tool to erase backgrounds. This is the final output displayed. Review it carefully to ensure all steps have been completed correctly and results are as expected. You can share, download, and resize your file easily using the available tools in the application menu options. Confirm your settings before hitting the download button. Now you know how to create a retro photo effect in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more cool design tips.